Hello and welcome to Learning Outcome 4. Operations management is key to organizational success. This video explores techniques to craft effective operational plans. Discover how quality management enhances operational efficiency. History has witnessed significant quality failures. The Challenger disaster ignored crucial O-ring issues. The Japan BNFL scandal involved fake quality data. Poor maintenance led to the Paris Concorde crash. Bridgestone Firestone faced tire failures, costing billions. W. Edwards Deming emphasized data-driven quality management. He taught statistical process control to leaders. Deming believed management controls most quality issues. Continuous improvement was his focus. He introduced the PDCA cycle for quality enhancement. The PDCA cycle is a four-step model for quality improvement. Plan involves identifying opportunities for change. Do implements changes on a small scale. Check analyzes results to see if changes were effective. Act implements successful changes widely. Joseph Juran introduced a trilogy for quality management. It includes quality planning to set standards. Quality control ensures standards are met. Quality improvement seeks to enhance processes. Juran's approach emphasizes comprehensive quality management. Quality costs are categorized into three types. Appraisal costs ensure outgoing and incoming quality. Prevention costs focus on avoiding defects. Failure costs arise from internal and external failures. Effective management minimizes these costs. Six Sigma originated at Motorola in the 80s. It aimed to reduce defects significantly. Statistical tools were used to analyze processes. Motorola achieved substantial quality improvements. The methodology became a formal discipline. Six Sigma is based on core principles. Every process has variation and can be measured. The goal is to reduce defects to a minimum. It targets 3.4 defects per million opportunities. Continuous process improvement is key. Variability affects operational efficiency. Supply uncertainty includes quality and delivery issues. Throughput uncertainty involves machine breakdowns. Demand uncertainty covers product use and trends. Managing variability is crucial for consistent quality. Six Sigma defines and measures defects. Analyzing defects helps in reducing them. The measure phase assesses core business processes. A defect is anything outside customer specifications. Opportunities for improvement are identified. Continuous improvement is vital for growth. It involves incremental or breakthrough changes. The PDCA cycle is a popular tool for this. Successful changes are implemented widely. The cycle repeats for ongoing enhancement. Understanding operational and strategic plans is crucial. A strategic plan sets the organization's direction. It outlines goals and strategies for success. An operational plan details day-to-day tasks. Both plans are essential for achieving objectives. Operational plans guide daily organizational tasks. They specify strategies, responsibilities, and timelines. Financial resources are allocated for each task. Frequent reference to the plan ensures effective execution. It provides clarity on operational objectives. Operational outcomes must be clearly defined. They guide the execution of the operational plan. SMART criteria ensure outcomes are specific and measurable. Outcomes should align with organizational goals. They provide a framework for achieving success. W.H. Smith used innovative marketing to attract customers. Increasing outlets was a key strategy. It made products more accessible, boosting sales. Teenage customers were targeted through promotions. These strategies contributed to W.H. Smith's success. A network plan outlines task sequences. The critical path is the longest task sequence. W.H. Smith's advertising campaign serves as an example. Tasks include planning, creating, and testing. Identifying the critical path prevents delays. Earliest start times prevent task delays. They determine when tasks can begin. Latest finish times ensure project completion. Calculating these times avoids project overruns. Managers use these calculations for effective scheduling. The critical path connects tasks with no delay. It highlights tasks that can't be postponed. W.H. Smith's campaign critical path is outlined. Managers monitor these tasks closely. Shifting resources can prevent delays. Float allows task delays without affecting the project. Total float is the delay margin for tasks. Free float doesn't impact other tasks. Understanding float aids in effective scheduling. W.H. Smith's example illustrates float calculation. Quality management ensures product standards. W.H. Smith sets standards for its products. Comparing products to standards maintains quality. Corrective actions address quality issues. Effective quality management enhances customer satisfaction. Operations management involves key responsibilities. Strategizing and workflow monitoring are essential. Policy and decision-making guide operations. Customer feedback enhances product quality. Quality management builds brand reputation. To produce an effective operational plan, organizations must apply relevant techniques such as forecasting, capacity planning, and resource allocation. Tools like SWOT analysis, Gantt charts, and workflow mapping help structure activities and ensure clear timelines and responsibilities. Setting measurable objectives and key performance indicators ensures that operational activities align with strategic goals. Risk assessment and contingency planning are also essential to manage uncertainties and maintain operational continuity. Applying these techniques enables organizations to develop realistic, structured, and performance-driven operational plans. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074-8436-1688.